Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So guys, this one video is enough for you to get 95 plus marks in your Hindi exam, Hindi public exam 2025. Why I am talking about 95 plus? Because in the language it's difficult to get 100 marks, that's why. Okay, so no need to check out your Hindi material. This one video is enough for you because we have picked all the important questions with the grammar, essay writings, letters, everything else in this video itself. Okay, not only the questions with answer key we are providing you. So guys, this is very important, so please don't skip the video, just watch till the end. Okay, and at the last, means at the end of the video, I will tell you something which is very important. Okay, so let's start guys. So from question number 1 to question number 12, what questions will ask in the examination, you can see here itself. So first question will be upon tatsam, second question will be on kriya, third question will be on sankhya, fourth question will be on karak, fifth question will be on samas, sixth question will be on sandhi visched, seventh question will be on paryay, eighth question will be on upasarg, ninth will be on pratyay, 10th question will be about ling. They will ask you the ling, pumling or striling, like that. Next 11th question will be on kal and 12th question will be on shuddha roop. Okay guys, so first question will be on tatsam. Okay, so here I have given you 50 questions for this. If you know the answer, just write it down somewhere. If you don't know, at the end, means in the middle of this video, we are going to provide you the answers for 1 to 12 questions. Okay, next the second question will be on kriya. Okay, so these kriya based questions, means important questions we have picked. We have approximately picked 50 questions. Okay, just try to give the answer for each and every question, and these answers will be there in the middle of this video. Okay, don't worry, and please guys pause the video and try to give the answer and write it down somewhere else. Okay, third question will be on sankhya. They will give you the numbers, so you need to write down what number is it. Okay, in Hindi you have to write it down. Okay, these are the 35 numbers we have given, which are very most. Inshallah, from this itself they will ask you in the main exam. Next fourth question will be on karak. Okay, karak is nothing but you need, it's something like prepositions. Okay, so they will give you a blank. Okay, in that blank you have to fill a preposition, like that. Okay, like if I give you example, then कौवा पेड़ dash है, कौवा पेड़ पर है. So per you have to fill, like that. Okay, so these are the 50 questions for karak. Okay, next fifth question will be on samas. Okay, so for samas also we have given you the questions here. Please pause it, try to give the answer. And one more thing guys, please write it down all the answers in one place, you still have the time. Okay, so that it will easy for you. If some questions are very difficult for you to answer, please write it down separately, so that when you are going to give the exam, at that time you just go through once all the difficult questions. Okay, so please pause it and write it down. Only up to 12 questions we have given you. Firstly the questions, and after that answers are provided. From 13th question you are going to have the question plus answer, question plus answer, like that. Okay, don't worry. So because from verse first question to 12th question, it's based on the grammar part, so that's why first questions are provided, then answers are given. Okay, from after that the next question after 12, means from 13th you are going to have question plus answer continuously. Okay, so sixth question will be on sandhi visched. Okay, they will give you a word, you have to split it into two by adding plus symbol in between two splitted words. Okay, so this is what about a sandhi visched. Okay, so you have 56 questions for this sandhi visched. Next, seventh question will be on paryay. Okay, I know most of the questions you can easily answer them because all have well prepared till now. Okay, so maybe 1 to 2 3 questions are difficult for you, but don't worry, please write it down, all these different difficult questions whatever you are facing it difficult in any separate notes. Okay, and it will be easy for you to just go through once before you go for the examination hall. Okay, I'm telling you guys, if you prepare all these questions, whatever we are discussing here in this video, inshallah, you will have that much of confidence and you can go and write it down the exam very well. Okay, so don't worry. I hope you all have written your Telugu exam well. Okay, I already uploaded the Telugu question paper. Just check it out. Inshallah, I'll try to upload the answer key for Telugu also. ओके, नेक्स्ट 10th क्वेश्चन विल बी ऑन लिंक बदलकर वाक्य फिर से लिखे. ओके, they will give you sometimes the striling, then you have to change into a pumling. Okay, if pumling is given, then you have to change it into striling and you have to change the entire sentence. Okay, like if I have to say, then one example is लड़कियां बाग में खेल रहे हैं, then you have to change it into लड़के बाग में खेल रहे हैं, like that. Okay, so next 11th question will be on काल. काल बदल कर लिखिए. Okay, we have 3 काल्स, वर्तमान काल, भविष्यत काल, भूतकाल. भूतकाल is past tense, वर्तमान is present tense and भविष्यत काल is future tense. Okay, so these are all the example questions for you to prepare. And next 12th question will be on Shuddh Roop. Okay, so guys, in Shuddh Roop we have given you only 20 questions. Okay, then you can check it out the answers here for first Roman, second Roman, third Roman, fourth Roman, like that up to 12th Roman. Okay, so these are the answers for first Roman. Please note down the number which question is difficult for you and come here and check out the answer by checking the correct question number. Okay, so I hope you are getting the answers. Okay, if you have well prepared your in Hindi syllabus, then it very easy for you. It's just like a piece of cake for you. Okay, isn't it? Why? Because by reading the question you are just giving the answers fatafat. Okay, so it will make you in happiness when only when you have well prepared. Okay, so the students who have not yet prepared, this video is very important, most important for you. Okay, next 7th question answers are there for Paryay. Next we'll see the answers for 8th question, which is Upasarg. Okay, next answers for 9th is Pratyay. Pratyay answers are there. Next 10th question, Ling badal kar likhiye, answers are there. Okay, and one more thing guys, here I am going to give you one tip. If you know the answers of any section perfectly, you can start that section itself firstly. Okay, if you know the answers of these first to 12 questions, means grammar part, you can start from section A itself, means from one question to till last. If you know the answers of last Roman, that is letter writing or else essay writing, you can start from that itself, but make sure you have to write down the section correctly, boldly, and you have to underline it, you have to highlight it with sketch pens, stick pens. Okay, So guys, here we are going to see the Roman number means section 4 from 19th question to 26th question. Okay, here along with the question you are going to have the answers. Prashna and uttar means question and answer types. Okay, please read this question and answers. These are the question and answers from Padyakhand. Okay, then we'll see the Gadyakhand. So clarity is very good, means the video quality is good. So you can please pause the video and you can learn it along with this video. Okay, or else you just skip the video, means pause the video and please note it down in your Telugu class notes or any rough notes. Okay, we have 8 question and answers from Padyakhand, and after that we'll see the question and answers for Gadyakhand. Okay, so first question is 26 जनवरी 1931 के दिन को अमर बनाने के लिए क्या क्या तैयारियां की गई. Okay, then jawab means answer. Just note down the answer. Don't do spelling mistake, guys. In languages they will see each and every spelling, whether it is Telugu, whether it is Hindi, or whether it is English. Okay, for languages they will keenly check each and every line, each and every word. For mistakes, for spelling mistakes also they will cut off the marks. Maybe for 2 spelling mistakes or 4 spelling mistake they will cut half mark, like that. Okay, so still we have the questions for this Roman. So whatever the question and answers given here, these are all the importance which we have picked for you. Please note it down, and please do a favor to your friends also by sharing this video so that they may also prepare this and get good marks. Okay, please help them by sharing this video. So guys, I'm trying very hard for you day and night to provide you all the important questions and all the important stuff, model question papers, practice question papers, everything else. You are just seeing the video but not liking my video, not sharing my video. Please guys, just hit the like button so that my video will reach to the most people, so that they may also take advantage of this video. Okay, so, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, if you are average students and if you are poor in Hindi, then you just uh, give more focus on letter writing, because in letter writing you can easily get marks. In grammar part also you can take that total marks. And in what we say, Deepavali essay writing, most importantly, like Deepa any one tyohar and a television, uh, like that, Doordarshan, everything. Some important topics are there. Just learn 2 to 3, inshallah. From that you may get one, at least one. Okay, so this is section 5, question number 27 and 28. Okay, Pad. And kavi parche is also most important, guys. We have picked the most commonly important kavi parche for you. Please read that. Okay, this is essay writing. So manushyata, topic is manushyata. About that you have to write it down. Only the most important part, means most important topics only we have picked and give it for you. Okay, so that it easy for you to prepare at the last minute. Next second question will be on पर्वत प्रदेश में पावस. Okay, next we have 8 marks questions. So बड़े भाई साहब. Next second question will be डायरी का एक पन्ना. Okay, please learn it. No need to write all this stuff, just read one to twice and understand what is given. If you understand this topic, then you can write it down in your own words. They will give you the marks for that. Okay, no need to copy paste the same line, same word, one after the another, like that. Okay, you just read one to twice or thrice or four times. Okay, and try to understand what is given here, what that matter is all about. Then you can phrase your own sentences and write it down. Okay, it's very easy, but make sure you have to write very neatly by giving enough space between two words. Okay, now we'll see the next part. Okay, that is question, section number 6. Okay, letter writing. सो बुखार के लिए 4 दिन का पत्र लिखिए, या फिर भाई की शादी में जाने के लिए 4 दिन की छुट्टी मांगते हुए प्रधान अध्यापक को के नाम पर पत्र लिखिए. सो दीज आर ऑल द इम्पोर्टेंट लेटर राइटिंग, गाइस. प्लीज read it. Make sure you have to write it down correctly, the date and day. Then dear, like priya adhyapika ji, like that. Priya friend, your friend name, priya dost, like that. Then body of the letter. Then at the end you have to write down yours faithfully and name, like that. Okay, so these are all the important points to be noted down while writing the letter writing. Okay, after that we'll see general essays also. Prepare this, guys. कॉलेज में प्रवेश दिलाने के लिए पत्र लिखे. दिस इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. After 10th class you are going to enter the college life, that's why. So note down, this one is also very important. Okay, mainly you have to know फीवर के लिए पत्र मीन्स बुखार के लिए, शादी में जाने के लिए, देन मित्र को पत्र लिखते हुए, like that. So these 2-3 types are very important. From that one will surely come. Okay, damn sure. Next last one is letter writing, which is for 10 marks. Okay, gandhyalay, or else you can say pustakalay. Then Deepavali, your one favorite tyohar they will ask you. Okay, write down your priya tyohar. You can write it down Deepavali, which is very easy, or else you can write it down whatever which festival you like, just write it down. Okay, So these two are very important, most important. Next, Samachar Patra. At the end of this essay writing, you can give the conclusion also. Okay. By seeing this, examiner will give you the total marks. Okay. Next, computer. And guys, I told you that at the end I'll give you some I'll talk about something important, and which is that is I'm going to give you two model practice question papers. If you have read all these whatever I have talked from starting till now, okay, if you know the answers, if you have prepared all this up to here, then it will easy for you to check yourself. Okay, you just check it out whether how far you have completed, how far you are going to give the answers, how well how perfectly you are going to give the answers. So for checking yourself, I'm giving you two model question papers. Okay, just try to give the answers for both the model papers. Okay, in this way you can check yourself before going to give your Hindi exam. Okay. Okay guys, here I'm ending my talk. Okay, I hope this video is very helpful for you. Please don't forget to hit the like button again and again. I'm telling you, please hit the like button. Please give me a beautiful comment in the comment section. Okay, and share this video to your friends and help them. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye, take care. Love you.